Wanna go home? Let's go. We need to go home.
5 more minutes.
Huh?
Or say bye-bye na.
Say bye-bye.
You've been there for 10
Say bye-bye to the water. We'll be back again. Come on.
Okay, say bye-bye, water.
Bye-bye, water.
What?
Bye-bye, water. Let's go. No.
No.
Yeah, no, we have to go. Now, let's go.
You have to change.
Yeah. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the water. Come on. Say bye-bye now. Say bye-bye to the water. Come on, say bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye, water.
Okay, say bye-bye, water.
Bye-bye, water. We will be back again. Okay? See you next time, water. Huh? What? Okay, let's go. Where are you going, Aaron? Huh? Where are you going, Aaron? Huh? You're going to the beach? Okay.
Ayan, tignan natin ng...
Kailangan natin ilagay ito dito.
Yeah, pangtali. At least, ay, kasi doon sa pwesto ngayon ni Gabe, wala. I know, masikip. Yeah, ito, para may mapwestuhan ng tent. There. Aaron, you wanna get down? It's still cold, anak, no? Dali, I'm coming. Look at daddy, oh. Gagalit yung anak mo. Ah! Ah! I'm coming back, sir. Saan mo tinali yan? There.
Okay, let's get it.
Wow, para may air.
Yeah, para kay Aaron.
Eat ka na lang. Ah!
Parang maganda yung smile niya.
I know, kasi nakatulog ng 20 minutes. Oh, no. Say. Oh. Look at daddy, oh. Setting up your tent, oh. Ayun ang beach dyan kasi may mga nakpwesto na.
Put this Aaron, okay?
Pero dito tayo sa may...
Yeah.
Where you going?
Where are we going? Aaron is walking. And where are you going? Let's go to the beach.
I know you go down over there.
To the beach. Come on. Let's go to the beach. Alright. That's the beach over there. There's water. You wanna go to the water? Let's go to the water.
Oh. Just touch. Yeah, sige. Oh, sige. You like it? Don't put it in your mouth, okay? Ha! No, Aaron, that's it. Okay, you wanna go to... Take off na anak your sweater? Take off na jacket mo? Take off?
What? Let's go. Come on. What? Huh? Aaron? Yeah? Aaron is on the beach, playing with the water. Yeah, playing with the water. It's cold.
Cold. Oh, sabi niya.
It's cold.
Yeah, it is cold.
Yeah, it's cold. Water is cold. Huh?
You wanna get up? Then get up. Oh, makas ka na yan.
Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Say hi. Say hi. Hi.
Kada pupunta yung tubig, sabi niya.
Yan, nasa beach kami yan. Okay.
See, ngarak-karak na. Kasi you know what? Yung ano, nakain niya. Oh. Hayaan mo na din, nakakamatay na. No, nakakain ka na ng ano,
Sand.
Anong sand. Ano masarap ba, Aaron? Para kang si Davudi.
How's the sun?
Ginagawa niyo, muya pa niya.
Huh? How's the sun? How's the sun, baby?
Gusto niya, kamain dyan.
Yeah, I know.
Punuin lang. Sabi, masasanay din sa ano yan, sa lamig. Ilagay mo lang siya dyan kasi mamaya antok yan. Ganyan eh. Ipapainin.
Okay, say bye-bye to the water, Aaron. Let's go.
Let's go.
Say bye-bye to the water,
Bye-bye,
Aaron.
water.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, come on.
Let's
Bye-bye,
go.
water.
Come on, come on.
Bye-bye.
Huh?
Bye-bye, water na balo.
Oh no, you don't want to go? Oh my God, but it's cold.
It's cold.
Huh? Let's
Okay,
go.
come on, let's go.
No. Why? Oh my.
Bye-bye, water.
What?
Natatakot ka.
Yeah. You don't want to go home?
Ay,
Let's go. Let's go. We need to go home.
5 more minutes.
Huh?
Or say bye-bye na.
Say bye-bye.
You've been there for 20
Say bye-bye to the water. We'll be back again. Come on.
Okay, say bye-bye, water.
Bye-bye, water.
What?
Bye-bye, water. Let's go. No.
No.
Yeah, no, we have to go. Now, let's go.
You have to change.
Yeah. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the water. Come on, come on. Say bye-bye now. Say bye-bye to the water. Come on. Come on, say bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye, water.
Okay, say bye-bye, water.
Bye-bye, water. We will be back again. Okay?
Next time.
See you next time, water. Huh? What?
This one? Oh, you like my hat? You like my hat? Where's your hat? Kiss mama din. Okay, take off my hat. Okay, kiss mama din. Kiss mama naman lang. Good job! Ayaw niya ng may hat ako. Siguro ibang tingin niya sa mukha ako. Okay, kiss na din ulit. Para okay, kiss ulit. Oh, you wanna wear it? Oh, you wanna wear it? Okay, Aaron will wear my hat. Oh. Ay, you don't like it. Oh, kiss then mama. Oh. Kiss mama first. You want me to wear it? Okay, I'll wear it again. Hi. I'll kiss mama now. No? I'll kiss now.